Hey guys, we're back. So we have this ongoing issue with the MSD box. Car starts up, it runs. The minute you shut it down, it doesn't want to start back again. We thought it would be the timing, but it's not timing. This car is on timing. Perfect timing. So we have an issue with that. So now I got to do is take the entire front off. Take the fender out just to get to that MSD box because all the wiring is right under this fender. And then I put it in a way where you can't get to when the fender liner is in. So unfortunately, got to take everything off. So the fender and bumper got to come off just to get to that MSD box. And if it's the MSD box, I'm going to eliminate that. I'm going to run the new MSD box in the trunk away from the engine bay. Because this is the second MSD box I'm going through right now. It's crazy. And everything is new in this car. MSD. New distributor. Everything on the timing is new. So now it's going to prolong getting this car on the road. So I have no idea what's going to happen right now. So she's going to be off the road for a little while. So I can figure this issue out. But I got to go through a lot of wiring. Sucks. So right now it's throwing a code. Let me turn the ignition on so you can see the code it's throwing. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car. Let's turn the ignition on. I gotta step on the clutch for this real quick. So right now, alright. Ignition is on. And I'm gonna turn the fuel pump on right now. Sniper's on. Now let me show you guys this issue. Maybe somebody has a solution that can help me out with this. But see, right now it's a steady red. I mean, it's working fine, right? So right now I have no spark at all. All right. Unfortunately, I gotta step on the clutch on this car to start it. So clutch in. Let's turn fuel pump on and crank. Right? So right now I'm starting it. Okay? Nothing. Right? Now let's shut fuel off because we don't need fuel right now. Let's go back to the box. It should be flashing. There you go. It's flashing. See it? So it's a constant flash. On, off, on, off, on, off. So that indicates that the car has low voltage at the battery, but the battery is a new battery in the car. So we have a new battery in the car. And it's still showing that. Let's see something. There's no loose wiring here. Nothing is loose. Everything is tight. I don't know what it could be. I guess the box is just messed up because, you know, car starts up when it wants to. So I'm hoping maybe there's a loose connection somewhere inside this fender. New coil, I replaced the coil. I still had no spark, even with the new coil. So we have an issue going on with this guy right here. Because that flashing is, like I said, is low voltage. That's what it's saying. So we're gonna fix this issue. Car's on timing. Could keep playing with it because she starts up when she wants to. All right, I'm gonna give up anyway. We're gonna take the fender off, take the bumper off, and figure out what's our problem. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next step. See, got the fender out. But now I gotta take out the header panel. I was like, oh, it's gonna be simple. No, it's not. Nothing simple. And I gotta take that entire front off. That sucks. And I said so. I said, I think I have to take the entire front off. But for me to get to the wiring is behind the header. Sucks. Really. My luck. My luck. See, all the wiring is going right in there to there. Now I gotta rip this whole harness apart to see if anything is has like a loose connection. Okay guys, so I did all this work just to get to this white wire. See this white wire? This is so that way I can check the MSD for spark. So I gotta ground this to the chassis, and we gotta pull out the coil, which this is the coil right here. We gotta put a spark plug or ground it to the chassis, whatever, it doesn't matter. Yeah, this will work. Plug that in. Let's ground it. I mean, you will hear it, so find a good ground. Here we go. Come on, buddy. That's a good ground right there. Now take this and ground it to the chassis. Oh, one box has to be on. Hold on. Where's my key? Be right back. Okay, so ignition is on. Our box is on right now. So let's take this and keep an eye on this. I mean, you'll hear it at that point. Nope. Doing nothing. So the box is dead now. Is it making... Let me strip it a little more. Be right back. Okay. So I took the ground off. Let's get a good ground, which... Yeah, I ain't getting no spark. You see that? So right now I'm grounding it to the wire, and you see how the box, the light is going on and off? Yeah, there's definitely something wrong with this box. Definitely no spark. Let's try... Yeah. I don't have... Yeah, I ain't getting no spark, guys. See that? That's grounding out. Did the bolt, see? There you go. See the light? See the indicator? It's going on and off when I hit the ground. My box ain't throwing spark. That's what it is. It's bad. And it's not the wiring because everything's attached where it should be. Alright, there we go. That's our problem. We have no spark. The box is dead. It finally died. See the lights on? That's crazy. All this stuff just to get to a white wire. Yeah, nothing. Alright. That's going to be taking everything out. Take all this wiring out. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Alright. This is for the sniper. Sniper. Over here, this is the MSD. This is the MSD, so it's plugged into here. MSD, and then the power. Okay, so this red and blue is the power. So the black is the ground, the red is the power. This is going directly to the battery. So I'm gonna eliminate everything. Take everything out. All right, let's get to it. This blows, right? Okay guys, so we're back to the wiring. We're actually double checking the wiring and it's fine. But I just want to let everybody know, when you're doing wiring on a car, especially a lot of wiring, always label your wires before removing them. You don't want to start unplugging stuff and nothing's labeled and you don't know where anything goes, because you're going to open yourself up a lot of headaches. So always get a label maker. See, this is one right here. And just type in. So this one right here is my MSD tack. So I'm going to put tack wire. Tack. And then I'm going to press print. See right there, it's going to print. And I push the tab. There we go. That's my tack wire. So this right here is my tack wire. So basically I'm going to label it like that, tack. So I know what goes where. See right here would be my fan relay. See how it's labeled, fan relay? And this is our AC harness. Always label. If I'm not using it, label it. There you go. Saves yourself a lot of headaches. Let's get yourself one of these. It's worth it.